Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for today's recipe, it is an Indonesian food from Bali, the island of Bali, and it is a chicken satay that is known as Pajegan. I think this is the spices that is used in marinating the chicken that is referred as Pajegan. You can prepare this as is. I mean, you can serve the satay as is, or you can serve it with peanut sauce. I believe many Balinese also use pork for this, but the one that I am sharing you today is with chicken. I'll see you soon again. Bye. Soak some bamboo skewers in water for at least half hour. For the spices, what I have here is 5 dried kafir lime leaves. You can use 6 if it's fresh, and then 8 galangal powder, 8 teaspoon of galangal powder, 8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 8 teaspoon of ginger powder, and half teaspoon of dried crushed chili. So I'm gonna show you, this is dried crushed chili, so that's half teaspoon, and quarter teaspoon of cayenne powder, and then quarter teaspoon of cumin, and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, and quarter teaspoon of coriander ground. So that's ground cumin as well. And we're gonna add candlenut. Some people say you can substitute this with Brazilian nuts. I tried, it doesn't taste good with Brazilian nuts. But if you cannot find this is in Chinatown or Asian store or Indonesian store, you can buy this on Amazon. So about 3 of them. Put it inside, and then we're gonna add about 5 garlic as well. And I quartered half of a large onion, and then we're just gonna blender it, mix it until smooth into paste. What I have here is 1.2 kilogram of chicken strips, and now our paste is ready. We're just gonna mix it. We're also gonna give some salt. I have coarser salt, so it's to taste, and also some white pepper, like a generous pinch or 2. Now we're gonna marinate the chicken for as long as you soak the your skewers. So 20 to half hour, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. When you make the paste, the spice paste, you can add some liquid like I did to make it easier for the machine to turn the garlic, onion, and everything else into a fine paste. Now after half hour, grab one skewer and just thread your chicken strip onto the skewer. Now chicken strips are already on the skewers. We're just gonna grill them until they are cooked and browning nicely. And you can serve this chicken satay with peanut sauce if you like, or you can serve them as is. I mean cooked, okay? For the quickie peanut peanut sauce, I have 1 cup roasted and salted peanuts here that I give some garlic powder for seasoning, and a third cup of water. Nut sauce will be pale because I'm not gonna add sweet soy sauce, but you can if you want. I also add about quarter teaspoon of cayenne powder, and if you want you can squirt some lime juice. Tada, jadi deh sate chicken, sate pajegan from Bali.